Conformable anti-slip tape is a strong abrasive anti-slip surface with an aluminum foil backing, which allows it to conform to irregular surfaces like Durbar, checkered, and diamond tread plates, creating a durable anti-slip surface on these exteriors. Contrary to popular belief, Durbar plate is not a good non-slip surface, as most metals used for this purpose do not have great friction. The Durbar pattern, when wet, can create a big slip hazard, resulting in possible accidents and injury. This pattern also makes it very hard to find a non-slip surface which will apply effectively. Most non-slip tapes have a plastic backing, making them very hard to conform over irregular surfaces without them lifting. Conformable non-slip tape has an aluminum foil backing, which has no inherent memory. This means it will conform over virtually any patterned and irregular hole surface, creating a durable, effective non-slip solution with minimal chance of lifting from the application surface. The abrasive grit used on our conformable anti-slip tape is diamond hard aluminum oxide. This gives the material exceptional grip levels in wet or dry conditions, making this material perfect for internal and external applications. To aid the application of conformable anti-slip tape, we recommend the use of Heskins ancillaries. A rubber mallet is recommended during application. By using the rubber mallet to press the material, it allows it to conform to the irregular surface effectively without damaging the material. Heskins Edge Fix Edge Sealer is perfect for applying to anti-slip tapes used in external and high-traffic applications, as it creates a tight seal around the edges of the material, preventing any edge lift. Conformable anti-slip tape can be found in roll and die-cut forms to suit any application requirements and can be found in a diverse range of colors.